to my channel, Molly Fitzround, and today we are at Icon Park in Orlando, and we are here to see all their cool Christmas stuff. They have Santa Claus, they got special stuff at Sea Life, and then we're going to check out some Madame Tussauds again. So, are you guys excited? Yeah. All right, let's go have some Christmassy fun. Okay, first we are going to come in and see Santa Claus in the Santa Workshop. We have not seen Santa yet this year, so let's go check it out. Look at the giant polar bear. Oh my goodness. How cool is that? Oh, you're his new little best friend. Oh, you are so cute. You're just chilling at the desk, huh? What? There's boots there? What's in the boots? Look at the cool fire. Well, hello.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Good, how are you? Are you going to sit over there with Logan?
You guys know what you want for Christmas this year?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So spill the beans.
I want some Legos.
Legos, what kind?
Fortnite Legos.
Fortnite Legos, all right.
Okay, well that was fun and cute. It's been a while since we've gotten to sit with Santa Claus. All right, they have a cool arcade here as well in the game, and we have a couple of play cards here. So we're gonna go see what the play cards get. Fire dragons, some sort of 3D headset. Oh my goodness, these look intense. Wow, some driving games, those look fun. Whoa, check out this video game on 4 screens. Tommy and Patrick are racing. Me and Logan are doing air hockey, aren't we?
Racers, get ready! 3, 2,
Here you go, Logan. Whoa! Did that just bump you around? Ah! Okay, so these are some of the coolest, most intense arcade games that we have ever seen. So the boys are loving this, the driving games and the shooting games. So I don't think they're ever going to want to leave here, but we're going to head over to Sea Life next to see what's going on for Christmas. Logan's getting blasted with air, and he's got speed boost. You had to put on a seatbelt, so this is awesome. Okay, somehow they have axe throwing here as well. This is dangerous. The mask is a little big, so Tommy's helping to hold it up, but he's actually shooting at Godzilla. We can see what's happening up there. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's neat, huh? Is it blowing wind at you? All right, so now we are here at Sea Life. So we're gonna go in. They may have scuba diving Santa, so I'm gonna see what we see. I'm excited to go check it out for Christmas. Oh, I love this first little room because it's a full circle. Oh, look, the skeletons are gone and now it's winter. Look at the snowflakes. Okay, so we just got the dive log book, and it looks like we can get different little stamps along the way and maybe get a prize at the end.
Yeah.
Here's a big mirror. Hello. And the jellyfish room. You want to go hit the button, Logan? Wow, it changes all the colors. Look at the pretty Christmas lights. Whoa, giant jellyfish. Oh, they have pretty Christmas lights all across the roof everywhere. Look at this cute shark. Oh, hello. How cute is that shark?
you want to take a look, this is a little activity we have in the barrel. It's talking about shark skin. If you look up close shark skin, it's called dermal denticles. It's made of what our teeth are made of. They're basically shaped like tiny little diamonds. They're very sharp, basically. So it feels like sandpaper when you brush against the grain of shark skin. So we have this example here, just sandpaper. That's in the cutout of a shark, but it's what their skin would feel like, right?
Oh yeah, oh here it comes. Whoa, right above us. He's eating a gingerbread cookie. And he looks scared about it.
Oh, look at that big fish.
Logan. Logan cheese. Dive station number 4. So you line your paper up and then you push and it gives you a little puffy stamp. All right, we're finding them all this time, right?
So, believe it or not, this is actually plastic. It's not a jellyfish. But it shows how similar they are to jellyfish.
Look at little baby hammerhead. A 360 tunnel. Wow, is he gonna go over us? No, yes, right to us. Whoa, right over top of us. How cool was that?
That was cool.
There's a fish under us. There he goes. Look how cute the little decorative seahorse is right next to seahorses. Oh, I love seahorses. Let's see. I've never seen them in person. Oh, there he is. Wow. And then there's a bunch back there.
Crazy. Grab this one, number 7.
Okay, so last time this giant sea turtle was out swimming around and we totally fell in love with this giant guy. He's so cute. Just chilling today, that's okay. A flamingo. Oh, I love this. I love flamingos. So this must be where they have a Santa meet and greet as well in here in Sea Life, and they have this cool big projection up here with Santa Claus. Oh, in his workshop.
Stuff their vines. That's hard. That's
He's so
fucked it
cute.
open.
Oh, there you go. You were just getting some air.
Different species. I don't know if I've ever seen like a spotted turtle like that.
Our smallest sea star is actually over on this side. It's a purple sea star.
What are those like little black little things?
The little shells.
So this was food and clam and the shells in there. These guys actually can open them. This way you can actually see one who did it early. Look at that.
What?
So if you look on the edges there, you see it's a little hard to see, but there's these tiny little white lines. They have 100 of those. Now each of those arms, they can very slowly grab things, crack open shells.
All right, and then you exit into the gift shop. Whoa, look at this. Look at these cool squid guys all filling the clam. And then of course, all the cool sea animal dolls. And then of course, the super cute shirts. Oh, and they even have the shirt Logan got. He's wearing his shirt today. Logan's got on his sea shirt today. Perfect for the day. All right, so we had a wonderful time in Sea Life. That is such an awesome little aquarium, and there is so much to see in there. So I stopped and got a quick coffee, and now we're gonna go out and check out the snow. After that, we're gonna come back in for more arcade and for the wax museum. So here comes the snow. Let's go, Logan. It's snow time. It looks like Snope. If you're a Floridian, you know we don't get real snow, we get Snope. Snow made of soap. What? Look how chunky it is. Oh, it's like cotton candy. I just got a big clump stuck in my hair.
Yeah, look. They run here when I touch it. Let it come right back.
So it is coming out from the machine, and it depends where the wind's going. You gotta go that way. There you go. Okay, and now we are gonna walk in for a quick tour of Madame Tussauds. Not sure if I ever say that right, but here we go. Okay, pit bull waiting here as we enter. Abraham Lincoln. High five! Wow, you're almost as tall as Einstein now.
Wow.
Okay, let's see if we can get some electricity.
That's real?
Yep, now it comes to you. Here we are, we're pop art. Look guys, somebody new. I didn't see Michael Phelps last time we were here. How tall is he? Looks pretty tall. Look, there's usually signs.
Look, you can see a few blocks.
Oprah Winfrey, Katy Perry. More fame coming soon. So they are switching things up sometimes because this was the Shrek area. Ooh, they'll have something new soon. So this is from Greece. That's John Travolta. He was the Santa Claus in that commercial for a credit card the other day. Wow.
3, 2, 1.
All right, action. Fly him to the moon, Logan. Okay, so this is new from last time too. Alfred Hitchcock. He's the one who famously made this movie. Oh my goodness. So it was a famous, eek! Oh god, they got a bunch of blood splatter on the wall back here.
Oh, it's like you can't see him, but from behind it, there's a person back there stabbing.
Wow. Oh, that's creepy. Okay, here we go. Okay, wow. I'm digging the necklace. Okay, so that was a fun time going through the wax museum. There was a couple that were gone and a couple that were new, so I guess they're changing things up in there all the time. Dude, but the guys wanted to get back to the video game arcade so bad, so we are heading back to the arcade to use the rest of our time. Woo! They have such cool games at this arcade here. We love it. Wow! I love how it pops up. Wow! Only 3 left, Logan. Okay, I guess the screen shows us what Patrick is seeing. But Patrick scanned in, and he's gonna do this funny bunny rabbit thing, but it's a roller coaster. Wow, good job, Logan. Is this fun?
Oh, nice. This is the best one.
Well, there's 6 different things that you can ride on. All right, so we have had a wonderful time here today at Icon Park Orlando. So thank you so much to them for inviting us out. That arcade was insane. So many cool interactive and virtual games, and they have fans and seats that shake, and it was really immersive, huh? All right, well, everything was super fun today. So if you're looking for something fun to do in Orlando, you gotta stop by here. There's just so much to do. And thank you for joining us on our magical adventures. See you next time real soon.